Hello and welcome back to Naturally Miss Kris. Today I am back with another DIY that will help strengthen your hair and promote growth. If your hair is thinning or falling out, this Moringa and Fenugreek hair mask can help your hair grow and strengthen your hair because it is packed with vitamins and nutrients. It's packed with all the things that your hair needs to thrive on. Moringa powder has amazing benefits. It has 7 times the vitamin C in oranges, 4 times the vitamin A of a carrot, 4 times the calcium in milk, 3 times the potassium of bananas, and 2 times the protein of yogurt. This used to be my go-to drink minus the oil. And yes, it tastes extremely awful. But at that time, I was into making sure that I have all my greens and I didn't really care about the taste. But now you can't get me to drink that. Once you finish stirring, cover with a plastic and place it inside the refrigerator until it is halfway frozen. Okay, so if you are anything like me, I'ma just tell you, you will forget about this. Make sure you have your water still boiling on the stove on low. Make sure it's on low because your mixture will freeze and you're going to need to soften it. And this is the way that I soften before I go in with the mixer. You can keep on mixing until your desired consistency. I don't like mine too runny and I don't like mine too thick. I am beginning on freshly washed hair that has air dried, so I will be spritzing with aloe vera water throughout the process. It doesn't matter how many times I've used this mask in my hair, I cannot get used to the smell. Y'all, it is so strong. I hate it. But if you like the way syrup and green tea smell, okay, that's you. That's what it smells like. It smells like a mixture of green tea and syrup. Make sure you use a shampoo that has a strong fragrance when washing this out, because like I mentioned before, it has a very strong smell, and it takes me maybe 3 washes to completely get the smell out of my hair. Well, I thought I was done, but apparently I did not do a good job at washing my hair. But look at how defined my hair looks, and look how moisturized it is. So y'all follow me down into the kitchen. Yes, I will be washing my hair in the kitchen sink. So I am now going to be wrapping it up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that and click on that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And I'll see you lovelies next week.